So hold your head low, me say stand up straight. Babylon love chain man mind, but truth no sleep, it wait. One breadfruit tree can feed the earth, one spark can light the dark. Freedom now beg no permit, you know. It start where the brave heart start. Me see the poor man smile through pain. Like rain me water the ground. Him still plant hope in a beer backside and lift up every sound. Where you call weak, Jah call wise. Where you call lost, at school. Every cut teach the hand fi heal. Every scar teach the fool. So sing it loud, my brother. Tell them we no bend. We born fi break them wall down and rise again, again. Me say sing it loud, me sister. Lift your spirit high. A soul when know its own root can never truly die. Freedom warriors, stand for high. Freedom warriors, no bow fi die. Freedom warriors, hearts on fire, hearts on fire. Freedom warriors, rise up higher, higher. Me want the youth them reason clear. No chase them shiny bait. A man can own whole heap of things and still live small and straight. Better one clean conscience, yes, than 10 gold ring of shame. Better one step in truth, my friend, than win and lose your name. If you get push back with grace. If you get knocked, get up. No envy not go fill your cup. No poison fill your cup. Build with the one them in a need. Share with the one them cool. A revolution in a the chest is worth more than pure gold. When the night get long, remember morning of the last word. No measure life by what you hold, but by the love where you serve. Every king must answer, yeah. Every life fall flat. Only the truth walk barefoot and come right back to that. Freedom warriors, stand for high. Freedom warriors, no bow fi die. Freedom warriors, hearts on fire, hearts on fire. Freedom warriors, rise up higher, rise up. So take your place, no fret. Keep your soul upright. One people, one route, one road. I walk into the light. Freedom warriors, hear me now. From daybreak to the end. If you hold the flame with honest hand, the world can break your friend.
Me see the pain in the gully. Me see the pride in the chain. Babylon build up an illusion, and them can't hold down the brain. Trade power living at the brother. When the weak heart learn to stand, it's not the crown pon your head now, it's the fire in your hand. So rise, me youth, rise. Widen out your eyes. Every lie where to dust in the skies. So rise, me youth, rise. Let the false thing pass. Truth strong like rock stone, and it always outlasts. Dread power, hold your ground and know. Dread power is the way you grow. Dread power, no beg for shine. Dread power, it already inside. If them laugh, make them laugh, brethren. If them run, make them run. Every scar is a sermon, every dawn is a sun. Me learn peace from the struggle, me learn faith from the rain. When you feed the soul with courage, last turn sweet again. So rise, me youth, rise. Widen out your eyes. Every chain them a brandish can't reach what I fly. So rise, me youth, rise. Let the false thing pass. Truth strong like rock stone, and it always outlasts. Dread power, hold your ground and know. Dread power is the way you grow. Dread power, no beg for shine. Dread power, it already inside. No rush to become somebody, you already a flame. Listen when the silence talk, yeah, it call you by your name. From the mud come the wisdom, from the wound come the song. When you know say your spirit clean, great power make you strong. Dread power, hold your ground and know. Dread power is the way you grow. Dread power, no beg for shine. Dread power, it already inside. Babylon pressure knock, still me nah move. Me plan, me foot firm, got nothing fi prove. When the road get rough, my mind stay clear. One good soul can turn one whole fear. Them want see you fall, want see you bend, but truth like rain, it know where it went. Me learn from the elders, slow and wise. Hold your head high, watch the sunrise. If your heart stay true, the storm can't break you. Brother, hear me now. Strength live in you. Stand your ground, stand your ground. When the whole world shake around, stand your ground, stand your ground. Keep your feet on solid ground, stand your ground. Stand your ground. and water still sweet. You know when your soul is clean, your spirit grow. No need for show, no need for flex. Quiet lion stronger than the rest. Every scar tell a story of fight. Every deep cut can lead to light. If your heart stay true, the storm can't broke you. Sister, and hear me now. Strength live in you. Stand your ground, stand your ground. When the whole world shake around, stand your ground, stand your ground. Keep your feet on solid ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Sometime you lose for know what's there. Sometime you bend and you find your way. Sail up on the hurt, let it pass right through. What was built in faith will carry you. No chain can hold what truth set free. No heavy night can drown the sea. So breathe, my friend, and look ahead. The roots them live where you've been fed. Stand your ground, stand your ground. When the whole world shake around, stand your ground, stand your ground. Keep your feet on solid ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground, stand your ground. Love and wisdom hold you down. See how the people stand, barefoot on the concrete land. They die through the trouble and strain. Still we rise through sun and rain. Them try mash up the pride, but strength live deep inside. Inna the womb, inna the youth, inna the marrow, inna the root. Every scar tell a story, every tear carry glory. Man a walk with a broken shoe, still got a fire that pull with true. So when the night come rough and the road get tough, we no bow, we no fall, we are rich in spirit, rich in soul. Strength of the people, strength of the people. We have to carry one another. Strength of the people, strength of the people. Jah make we stronger than the trouble. Make them talk, them big talk. We still march, we still walk. Make them build fence and chain. Love find gap like summer rain. Mama see it, good work in the hand. Papa teach feet fi stand. Kidney learn from the ground. How the silent get the loudest sound. No need gold for the soul to shine. No need crown for no divine. If one heart still beat in town, no life never stay down. So when the night come rough and the road get tough, we no bow, we no fall, we are rich in spirit, rich in soul. Strength of the people, strength of the people. We have to carry one another. Strength of the people.
strong, and the vibes stay long. Strength of the people, strength of the people. We have to carry one another. Strength of the people, strength of the people. Jah make we stronger than the trouble. Strength of the people, strength of the
quietly. When hungry belly sing through the heavy rain, them carry load pon shoulder, still them stand tall. Heart full of scar, yet them not fall. Ancient wisdom in a trench coat and shoe. Every hard road teach me something true. If them push you down, you grow like the tree. Root go deeper when the storm call free. So hold fast, brother, hold fast now. The night can't hold what the dawn allow. When them chain rattle up and sabac, one little spark turn a whole world black. Roar of the oppressed, hear it rise up. Roar of the oppressed, nah give way. Roar of the oppressed, soul can't hush. Roar of the oppressed, move through the dust. Mama with the market basket strap, 2 bus fare left and a nation pan a lap. She smile through strain, say everything go nice, but inside she build her own fire and advice. Man get beaten by the system, man, still implant truth in a dry hard land. One seed of dignity, one stubborn vow, turns whole hillside green somehow, somehow. Hold fast, brother, hold fast now. The night can't want what the dawn allow. When them chain rattle, hope and sabac, one little spark turn a whole world black. Roar of the oppressed, hear it rise up. Roar of the oppressed, nah give way. Roar of the oppressed, soul can't hush. Roar of the oppressed, move through the dust. Not every wound need permission to speak. Not every strong heart load from the weak. But when the people rise and call out plain, even stone must answer the name of Roar of the oppressed, hear it rise up. Roar of the oppressed, nah give way. Roar of the oppressed, soul can't hush. Roar of the oppressed, break every door. Roar of the oppressed, call for this. Roar of the oppressed, been quiet too long. Roar of the oppressed, justice come near. Come now. Roar of the oppressed, loud and clear.
Man walking with stone in a chest, truth stay buried under stress. Babylon love when your mouth stay locked, but the soul still beat, it can't get blocked. Them tell you hush, keep head down low, yet a lockdown never make wisdom go. Every bruise got a story fi tell, every scar line ring like a prayer bell. So me take one breath then two, hear the earth talk straight to you. When the fear get loud and cold, Jah word cut through the mold. Break the silence, break it now. Break it now. Let the truth come lift your brow. Lift your brow. Break the silence, break it now. Break it now. Every soul feel somehow. If you are suffer, no hide that pain. Crying in the dark still count as rain. A mind get freed when it name the chain. A seed of it crack fi reach the plane. This it poor man laugh through hunger nights. This it good heart bend under sharp hard lights. Still you stand up, still you rise. Like fire we learn to live in skies. Oh yeah. No bow to the shame them fling. Oh yeah. Your voice is a living spring. One true word can mash down quiet too long. Sing, if you've been broken, still bring every lost child, every tired man, every hurt soul, join the line stand. No more chains on the tongue, no more sleep on the young. From the valley to the hill, speak your truth and stand still. Break the silence, break it now. Break it now. Let the truth come, lift your brow. Lift your brow. Break the silence, break it now. Break it now. Every soul feels somehow. Break the silence, break it now. Break it now. Jah hear every cry somehow. Somehow. Break the silence, break it now. Break it now. Live your truth and breathe it loud. Morning come, heart still beat. Bus stop, bench, bare feet, on street, but me head high, me spirit clean. Even storm can't bury the dream. Them say wait, but me nah start. One small seed can outgrow a life full of cut, life full of bruise. Still me I choose, me nah lose. See how the river bend, still it reach the end. Feel it in my chest. This one born for lost. Victory inside. Hold firm, hold tight. Victory inside.
pain is a teacher, we're talking a rain. Every scar on my skin tell a chapter of truth. When the night get heavy, still me stand like you. Chop put fire in a bone, put calm in a eye. Me see fool them running, but me no need to fly. Roots go deep like water under stone. Who know themselves can be broke to the bone. Them say time cut down man, but time also heal. What the earth defend today, tomorrow must reveal. So me walk on earth with a slow firm pace. Lion rise again and reclaim me place.
Who no see the weak one bend me back, but me spirit stay solid, no crack. Who no hear it from the ash and the shame? Man flame come back with the same name. Lion rise again, lion rise again from the dust and the chain. Lion rise again, lion rise again, lion rise again. Me heart say move, so me move again.
How them call poor? Some rich in a soul, how them call lost? Maybe learning the whole. Every stumble a lesson, every hunger a key. Every dead end a mirror say find the real you see. Me no chase vanity, me no beg for clout. True strength silent when the storm circle out. If them broke your road, build a bridge in a mind. One good thought alone can blind the blind. So me talk to the youth, them hold firm no sway. Life full of trap, but wise foot find way. When them pressure rise, let your conscience remain. Lion rise again through fire and rain. Mankind love rush, but wisdom love wait. What is proud today can be dust by late. So me bow to the lesson that the light them sell. And me bless